This is Novus, Arkansas. We have a large team of operations, maintenance, warehouse personnel, QC, and produce product for Novus International. We own about 53 acres here in the Little Rock River Port. We have approximately 87,000 square feet of manufacturing and warehouse space here at this location. We produce 3 different Mentrexes: Mentrex Zinc, Mentrex Manganese, and Mentrex Copper. And we also produce MHA, MFP, and MHA SP. Mentrex is a superior product because it's a organic-based mineral delivery system. It's a very efficient method of providing various minerals for the animal, and it's a mineral that is bound to a methionine molecule. It's a chelated organic mineral, so that the body is much more efficient at getting the mineral from the delivery system into the animal. All of our products produced here in Little Rock are based on the Alamet product that Novus provides for customer use. We also use it as a raw material. This provides a delivery system in a powder or granular form. It's much easier shipped than a liquid to certain areas of the world, and is easily mixed with other raw material providers. The Novus facility here in Little Rock was originally built in 2006, and the first plant that was built produced MHA, and in 2010 the Mentrex plant was built. Little Rock became the sole provider of Mentrex to the market. So there's no other plant in the world that makes these 3 products. Each lot that we produce is tested with parameters of quality standards that have to be met before the product's approved, and that controls how we produce, how we inspect raw materials, and how we inspect our final product.
For us, quality is probably the most important thing on the nature of our products, because for one thing, we try to present the customer with the best quality product that we can make. We have very tight, strict specifications on manufacturing controls and sales specifications.
When a customer drives up to our facility, the buildings are totally enclosed, so you get to see none of the equipment or the process from the external part of the plant. As you enter the production facility, it's just, you're amazed by the intricacy of piping, control cables, the various equipment throughout multiple floors of the facility. With this facility being the only Mentrex facility within the world, it allows us to continually improve the process, improve the product, and as we meet customers and bring them into the plant, let them see the process, get to meet the operators who are actually running the plant, it allows an interchange between the operations and the customers, so that we can understand their needs and they can get to know us, so we can provide a better product. The Mentrex process first begins with the raw materials. The raw materials are transferred from mineral unloading systems into the mineral weigh hoppers. From there, the weigh hoppers are transferred to the reactor, and Alamet is then transferred into the reactor for the reaction into Mentrex. The reactor provides very, very tight control of several key parameters, such as temperature, airflow, the speed of the agitator, and batch cycles. The reactor is controlled through the process control computer, so we have a computer system that provides the same recipe for each batch, so we have very consistent reactor operation from batch to batch. So the computer handles everything from charging it with the raw materials to running the reaction, drying, and then knowing when the product is ready to be distributed. We also utilize a cooling system that allows airflow contact with the product, so the product comes out of the reactor very warm, and as the product goes through the cooler, it's cooled down to a temperature that can easily be handled in the back-end equipment. This equipment also allows airflow that if we have submicron particles, they can be removed from the product stream, so that we can minimize dust, so that the customer has much less dust issues that he has to worry about. From there, the product is transferred through a classifier, and it's a very efficient classifier that can remove the large particles. We have a product cut that goes directly to blending. The type of mill that we use allows a very consistent particle exiting the mill so that it can be reclassified and put in good product. We blend several reactor batches together to form a single lot, and as this product is being packaged either in 25 kg bags or 1,000 kg super sacks, we have multiple samples that are taken for the quality control lab, and that's where our quality control samples come from. Each lot is sampled and analyzed independently with multiple different quality control parameters that are reviewed. They look at product assay, they can look at loss and drying, they look at particle size analysis. We have an instrument that actually measures the dust of the product, so we have a quantitative analysis for dust index. Packaging equipment that we use for the Mintrex process is state-of-the-art automated packaging equipment. It provides product labeling to the individual bags themselves. It also provides for leak detection in the event that a bag is not sealed properly or has a leak in it. It can catch it and discharge that bag from the line. Also included are metal detection equipment and a bag weight check prior to being put on a pallet. Our products, we use a plastic pallet that's made from recycled plastic, and it provides a very neat platform for our bags to be transferred with. It does not have any nails or wooden pieces that can break off during transit. So it's very important to us that our products arrive at the customer just as they left the production facility.
We are very strict in our housekeeping techniques. For one thing, because you don't want a customer to walk through the room and see dust everywhere and see the product everywhere.
A lot of customers, when they come in, are very surprised at the housekeeping of the plant. They're surprised at the automation that goes into the process control. We use digital process control for all of the reactors and back-end equipment. So it's controlled through a centralized control room. The entire plant's monitored through CCTV systems.
When you run 24/7, you're going to have equipment breakdown. You're going to have issues in the process, and so we have to be able to troubleshoot the process. Also, we have 2 packaging lines that are probably the most high-tech packaging lines that we have, and we also have to have the ability to troubleshoot those lines because they also run constantly.
I think our ability to control the process as well as we do within the parameters of design related to the process chemistry is very impressive to many customers that come in. The control methods provide very tight batch-to-batch consistency, and it's measured through our quality system on the final product, but it's also measured through process control parameters that are continuously being monitored throughout the day. It's important to me as the plant manager to ensure that we provide the products that exceed the standards set by our customers, that we have a highly motivated workforce, and the morale of that workforce is very important. The employees at Little Rock, I think, have always had a strong commitment to safety, and the manner in which we produce product for our customers has always been quality driven. And I think everybody here has always had a can-do attitude. They've provided input that has certainly helped drive production and quality throughout the process. And I think everybody is committed to quality and safety. If we can't produce a product that meets the standards of our customers, then we need to improve on our methods. We believe in continued improvement, and that can be improvement through the process, it can be improvement through the control system, improvement through the equipment itself. And as we continue to operate, we continue to learn. So it's important that we never feel like we've reached where we need to be. I think we always need to be striving forward. I think Novus has been very supportive of improvements of the facility as well as new products. The Little Rock facility is committed to continued growth, and that may be growth through knowledge of the existing products that we produce, more efficient ways to produce them, more sustainable manufacturing processes, improved quality to our customers, whether it's quality of the product itself or quality of the package that the product arrives in. I would like to invite customers or anyone that would like to come and see our facility, meet our employees, and get to know how we produce product and how we can improve based on your needs here at the Little Rock site.